Go to RiceDrive.com and log in using your email and a verification code. First, add your Dropbox account to RiceDrive. A Dropbox authorization window will open. Log into your Dropbox account, then follow the prompts to connect Dropbox to RiceDrive. Click Allow to give RiceDrive permission to connect to your Dropbox account. Dropbox is now successfully connected to RiceDrive. Go to the My Drives page to view the cloud storage account you just added. Next, add your Box account to RiceDrive. On the Box authorization page, enter your Box email address and password, then click Authorize to grant RiceDrive access to your Box account. Click Grant Access to Box to allow RiceDrive to access your Box account. Box is now successfully connected to RiceDrive. Both cloud storage accounts are now connected to RiceDrive. Next, let's start the file transfer. Go to the Cloud Transfer page and create a cloud transfer task from Dropbox to Box. In the Source panel, select the files or folders you want to transfer from Dropbox. Choose a destination folder in Box to save the files transferred from Dropbox. In the task settings, you can configure filters and choose how to handle existing files. In the schedule settings, you can schedule the task to run daily or weekly. Once everything is configured, click Startup to create and run the transfer task. The task has started. Even if you close the web page, RiceDrive will continue running the transfer in the background. The task has been completed successfully. Please check the logs to make sure all files were transferred properly. The folder has been successfully transferred from Dropbox to Box. The original files will remain in Dropbox and will not be deleted. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help.